In today's digital age, image editing and creative design have become everyday essentials for both work and life. With the help of ChatGPT, we can handle these tasks more easily. Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of our AI series. In the previous episodes, we demonstrated how ChatGPT makes our life easier when it comes to text and video tasks. Today, I'm excited to continue by sharing how I use ChatGPT in my daily life for various image-related tasks. I'll give you an overview of what we'll cover. Let's dive in and see what new surprises ChatGPT has in store for us. First, let's see how ChatGPT can help calculate the calories content of food images. By simply uploading a picture of your meal, ChatGPT can quickly estimate the calories based on the food items it detects. This is a game changer for anyone focused on their health. Today, I'm going to demonstrate with a dish of sausage I ordered at the German restaurant last time. It was nearly 1,000 calories. No wonder my diet efforts haven't been very effective. On social media, eye-catching creative images are crucial. ChatGPT can generate unique creative images based on your needs, making your content stand out among the crowd. Just describe your idea and ChatGPT will create high-quality images that add the extra flair to your social media posts. I asked ChatGPT to generate an image with 4 key features: a Shiba Inu standing, wearing a school uniform, and the traditional Chinese architecture. It nailed these aspects, but I did encounter a few issues during the process. ChatGPT has limitations when it comes to generating text within images. Its understanding of some modifications wasn't entirely accurate. Creating a unique video thumbnail is a key to attract viewers. ChatGPT can help you design that, makes your video more competitive on any platform. Just input the theme and style of your video, and ChatGPT will generate a professional cover design for you. I'll show you how to do it with my latest vlog. I copy-pasted the subtitle content into ChatGPT and had it created a thumbnail image. I also made one round of edit. What do you all think of this creation?
Nice.
Virtual meetings have become the norm, and having the right virtual background can sometimes enhance the professionalism of the meeting or lighten the mood among colleagues. By simply describing your background needs, ChatGPT can generate a high-quality virtual background. My request was for an office with floor-to-ceiling windows that overlook a traditional Chinese garden. The image mostly met my expectations, but the two symmetrical buildings looked a little bit odd. Once you upload the custom image in Microsoft Teams, you can start using it as your virtual background. Interior design requires both creativity and attention to detail. ChatGPT can assist you in generating design plans, making your home decor more pleasing and functional. By simply providing the room dimensions and the desired design style, ChatGPT can create details, helping your renovation projects go more smoothly. This time, the instruction was to design a room combining both bedroom and office functions, with blue as the main color theme. ChatGPT first provided a detailed written design plan. Fortunately, I am really happy with the final design. What do you all think? I also asked how much it would cost to complete such a design in Seattle area. Take a look at the estimate. Do you think it's all reasonable? If interior design is no problem, then why not try designing a backyard? By inputting the backyard dimensions and the general requirements, you can see what kind of design ChatGPT can come up with. After a few adjustments, I felt that some aspects were off or didn't quite meet my expectation. In the end, I found that the first design was the closest to what I had in my mind. What do you all think? Any other opinions? Whether it's health management, social media, video production, or interior-exterior design, ChatGPT offers powerful support. Let's make the most of technology to enhance the quality of our life and work. I hope this episode has inspired you in some way. Thank you for watching and see you next time.